Today we're testing the PD200W, a 30mm dynamic cardioid mic, built for creators who want freedom without sacrificing sound. We'll unbox it, switch between wireless, USB, and XLR, run noise challenges, and record a 2-voice podcast with dual-track capture. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Unboxing and first look. Inside, we get the mic and mounting hardware to drop it on a desk stand or boom arm fast. The build feels solid, with front controls for volume, a gain knob, one-tap mute, and a subtle RGB ring for status and style. 5 minutes to go live. We go from box to broadcast in minutes. USB to our laptop for 48 kHz 24-bit recording, XLR to our interface for studio work, or 2.4 GHz wireless when we want a clean frame. Same mic, 3 workflows. Sound shaping with MAONO Link. With MAONO Link on desktop or mobile, we dial in EQ using 4 presets, add reverb when needed, and manage noise reduction. All quick tone tweaks that keep our voice forward and clear. Room noise challenge. Real rooms aren't perfect. The PD200W's cardioid pickup and 3-stage noise canceling help push down background clutter like TV hum and fan noise, so our voice stays front and center.
Testing 1, 2, 3. This sample evaluates the microphone's noise cancellation. I am speaking at a moderate volume. Please listen closely to how well the device suppresses repetitive background sounds like fans or clicks. Testing 1, 2, 3. This sample evaluates the microphone's noise cancellation. I am speaking at a moderate volume. Please listen closely to how well the device suppresses repetitive background sounds like fans or keyboard clicks.
Two-voice podcast. For co-hosts and interviews, dual-track mode gives each voice its own lane. Editing is cleaner, crosstalk is lower, and we can mix levels precisely without fighting a single combined track. Hybrid I/O in action. We switch from USB at the desk to XLR on the boom arm, to wireless for gaming and talking heads. No mic swap needed. It's the same tone wherever we move. Specs that matter. Under the hood. 30mm dynamic capsule, 82 decibels SNR, up to 128 decibels SPL handling, a stable 60-meter wireless link, and up to 60 hours of battery life with RGB off. It works with phone, tablet, computer, camera, and consoles. If we want clean, reliable podcast audio without being tied to a desk, the MAONO PD200W delivers. Hybrid I/O for any setup, dual track for co-hosts, quick app tuning, and solid noise control. One mic covers our desk, boom arm studio, and cable-free shoots with a consistent sound. If that's the upgrade we've been waiting for, let's cut the cables, go hybrid, and free our podcast. So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.